I will show you how I clean this trash can. I will unplug it. If you have a battery, so you make sure you turn it off. I have a microfiber cloth I like to use, and the stainless steel cleaner. I spray it on a cloth and clean it because it has stainless steel. It will leave all the fingerprints, also particles of the food. So you can see it's cleaning pretty good. Look how shiny it is now. And the reason why I don't spray it directly on the can, because the spray also tends to settle on the floor, which I don't want it. Now you can see this part is clean, and this one I didn't clean it yet. Pretty shiny. So let me now clean it. The bottom. Of course, the best way would have been for me to take the lid off to clean it. And you do get sometimes spills on the trash can, or parts of the food getting stuck on it, like what I have here. I don't have it much, but still nice to have clean things around the house. So pretty clean now. Look how shiny.